Deep cleaning on ASUS TUF Gaming FX506LH laptop. Thank you, Sir Ian, for trusting PETIT Solutions. A full deep cleaning procedure was performed on the ASUS TUF Gaming FX506LH laptop to address accumulated dust, maintain proper cooling performance, and ensure long-term reliability of the system's hardware. Since this gaming laptop is frequently exposed to heavy workloads and extended usage, its internal cooling components tend to gather dust and debris over time, which can lead to overheating, thermal throttling, and unnecessary stress on the CPU, GPU, and internal circuits. To begin the service, the laptop was carefully disassembled, removing the bottom cover and exposing the cooling module, motherboard, memory slots, and storage components. Once the internals were accessed, a significant amount of dust buildup was found in the dual cooling fans and heatsink fins. This obstruction limited airflow and caused higher than normal operating temperatures. Each fan was individually cleaned, ensuring the blades could rotate smoothly and quietly. The heat sinks and exhaust vents were also thoroughly brushed and blown out with compressed air to restore proper ventilation pathways. The motherboard and surrounding components were gently dusted to remove fine particles that could potentially cause thermal inefficiencies or contact issues. As part of the cleaning process, the old thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU was removed and replaced with a fresh layer of high-quality thermal compound. This helps improve heat transfer from the processors to the cooling system, lowering temperatures and enhancing performance stability during gaming or demanding tasks. After reassembly, the laptop underwent temperature and performance testing to confirm improved cooling efficiency. The results showed smoother fan operation, reduced heat levels, and a more stable overall system. This deep cleaning service helps extend the lifespan of the ASUS TUF Gaming FX506LH and ensures it continues to operate efficiently and reliably. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.